Now we are going to solve an exercise regarding the three methods of depreciation. It is given that we purchased a delivery truck on January 1, 2014. So, on January 1, 2014, we have a truck. The cost of this truck was $13,000. It is expected to have a salvage value of $1,000 and useful life of 5 years. However, the first method of depreciation that we will be using is the straight line method of depreciation. First, it is required to prepare the annual depreciation expense, then to prepare the depreciation schedule, and then to prepare the journal entry for 2015. So always we have to, under the three method, we have to calculate the annual depreciation expense and then to prepare the depreciation schedule and then the journal entry for 2015. So we start by the straight line method. First, we have to find the depreciable cost. Depreciable cost equal cost minus salvage value. So in this exercise equal 13, which is the cost, minus salvage value, which is 1,000. So the depreciable cost equal 12,000 in this exercise. To find the annual depreciation expense, there are two ways. The first one is the annual depreciation expense equal cost minus salvage value over n. So equal cost 13 minus salvage value 1,000 over n, which is 5 years. So it is equal 2,400. Or to use the depreciation rate, so it is equal depreciable cost times depreciation rate. The depreciation rate equal 100% over n equal 100% over 5 equal 20% in this exercise. So the annual depreciation expense equal depreciable cost, or 13 minus 1 equal 12 is similar, times depreciation rate, which is 20%, equal 2,400 as well. So the annual depreciation expense under the straight line method of depreciation is 2,400. Now for depreciation schedule, the first column is for the years. The second one is for depreciable cost. Then the depreciation rate, the annual depreciation expense, accumulated depreciation, and book values. However, we start by the year 2014 since it is the first year and it is the year when the truck was purchased. So 2014. The depreciable cost is 12,000 and it will remain 12,000 for each year and for every year. So the depreciable cost is 12,000. The depreciation rate is 20% and it will remain 20% for all years. The annual depreciation expense is 2,400 and it will remain 2,400 for all years. However, we know that depreciable cost times the depreciation rate gives the annual depreciation expense. The accumulated depreciation for the first year is equal to the annual depreciation expense always in the first year only. So 2,400 will be transferred to this column 2,400. And finally, the book value equal cost minus accumulated depreciation always. So we have to look to in this row to the cost and not the depreciable cost. The cost is 13. So 13 minus 2,400 equal 10,600 for the first row. And this is the first row. Since the delivery truck is expected to live 5 years, we have 5 rows in the depreciation schedule. 1, 2, 3. For each year, there is a row. So 2014 is the first year, 2015, 2016, 2017 and 2018. So there are 5 rows since the expected useful life is 5 years. So always for each year we have to assign 1 row. The depreciable cost is 12 for all years. We can fill 12 for all years. The depreciation rate 20 as well. It is 20% for all years. The annual depreciation expense 2,400 is similar as well. Now for accumulated depreciation. To find the accumulated depreciation in the next rows, we have to take the previous row of accumulated depreciation and to add the annual depreciation expense. So 2,400 plus 2,400, we have 4,800. And the book values ending equal cost, which is 13 minus accumulated depreciation 4,800 equal 8,200. For the third row, 4,800 plus 2,400, we have 7,200, and the cost is 13 minus 7,200 equal 5,800. Then 7,200 plus 2,400, 9,600. The cost is 13 minus 9,600 equal 3,400. Now 9,600 plus 2,400, we have 12. Okay, and 13 cost minus accumulated depreciation 12 equal $1,000. Always the last row in the book value should equal the salvage value. The salvage value is 1,000 as well. Okay, so this is the straight line depreciation schedule. Now we have to prepare the journal entry for 2015. The journal entry always prepared at the end of the year, so it is on December 31, 2015, In the debit, we have depreciation expense, and depreciation is an expense. And in credit, we have accumulated depreciation. Accumulated depreciation has a credit normal balance. It is a contra asset account increase in credit. However, for 2015, which one should I select from the depreciation schedule? I have to look to the annual depreciation expense column. In 2015, in the annual depreciation expense column, it was 2,400. So this one, 2,400 in debit and 2,400 in credit. So this is the straight line method of depreciation.